I think it's very important to give a personal touch on a fringe. A fringe can do a lot of things. Welcome to my next video. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks about how you can cut a curtain bang. And I think it's very important to give a personal touch on a fringe, because when you do a fringe in someone who has long hair, she will come back earlier to the salon for a nice touch up, and then you can discuss about the color. It's about time. A fringe can do a lot of things. Today I have brought here a model. All the hair falls in the face, so what I try to do is with a simple cut in the fringe, then we can create a curtain bang. I have now made a separation for the fringe, and I always use this method, just using the head to find the right shape for the fringe. So I put my hand on the forehead, the other hand on the side of the head, and where my fingers touch each other, I go down to the head, and then I find my first point here. Put the hand on the forehead and the other hand on the side. I go here, and from there I have exactly measured the fringe parting. The client is very aware that you are very precise to do this kind of work. So we start from the fringe, a small section just in the center of this whole parting, like this. This is here 90 degrees. The shape of the head is a little bit round, of course, and from here it's 90, it's going that way. It's just a matter of measure. I think like this, and I go down, and the center of this parting, it's longer than the nose tip. So I go back, then I try to parallel my comb of the rounding of the head. So you can see that my fingers are pointing to the ceiling. Without hesitation, I cut this off. And don't be afraid to cut it very blunt. So now I'm going to separate this first section, and I take small sections. I go again to the center. Make sure you're always in the middle. So the other side, I do the exactly same thing. I stay on this side because sometimes we go to the other side. It's okay, it's nothing wrong about that. When you do that, the scissors will start from here cutting. But if you stay on this side, when I continue like this, small sections, same feeling. So that's why I always stay on one side. So this is what happened. You see, the hair here is a little bit shorter than here, but when you comb it, there is no hard line over here. So if you want to make it a little bit softer, then I take all the hair up, and just like this, I make some point cutting. So that is all. Now we have to finish it. I first have dried the hair with the pli. I will finish now a little bit with density material. I asked my client if she will take her head a little bit backwards. I only use just a little bit. You see how nice the color is, and when she will wear it like this, you can see that it's much darkness in here, And that is the way how I did it with the balayage, you know. And then I color it in. Then you see this kind of movements in the hair coloring. I finish it with the hairspray Infinium. So this is the result of the curtain bang fringe. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.